Let's look at the results from the Get to Know the Class survey. Probably the most obvious feature is that a few people gave negative number results where negative numbers were not possible. An obvious question is, why would they do that? But now that we have the data, what should we do with it? Should we just delete this point or throw out that response? Should we also throw out the responses this individual gave to all the other questions? If we don't throw out this response, how does it affect the mean and the median? Let's make a histogram of this and include the mean and the median. Since the negative response is an outlier on the left, the mean in green is to the left of the median in red, and the median is a better measure of the center. Also, the IQR is a better measure of the spread. The standard deviation is too large because it includes the outlier. If we make a modified box plot, we can see that negative 40 is an outlier, and we can identify all of the responses that individual gave. Age is a very nice example of a right-skewed distribution. It looks like this individual with an age between 60 and 65 is an outlier. Let's check with a modified box plot. We can see that the individual age 47, an individual age 48, and an individual age 60 are all outliers. I can go to Options, Edit, and add the mean to this box plot. We can see that the mean at 24.9 is to the right of the median at 21. Finally, we can see that a whisker, a long whisker on the right, means that the distribution is skewed to the right. StatCrunch made a bar chart of work status that shows most individuals work full-time. I think a pie chart is easier to read. When I see how many people work full-time, I hope that they are taking fewer units because they're very busy people. To investigate this, I will make histograms of units grouped by work status. I can see that the median for people who are not working is 13 units. The median for people who work full-time is 11 units. And the median for people who work part-time is 9 units. This is not what I hoped to see. People who work full-time are taking 11 units. 1 unit is 3 hours per week, so 11 units is 33 hours plus a 40-hour job. Oh my goodness! The question, what is one of your hobbies, is a categorical variable because it asked for a single non-numerical response. Unfortunately, the fill-in-the-blank format allowed people to give more than one response. I don't know what to do with the responses from the individual who said, working out, Netflixing, swimming. Should we throw out the Netflixing and swimming responses? This shows the importance of writing your surveys carefully so you don't get invalid responses like negative numbers or multiple answers to categorical questions. We also made various histograms, box plots, and pie charts to explore the class survey data.